Okay, we have some easy areas for host some stock machine for sample. Okay. The membrane. And the controller. This is housing. The Benco sponge membrane. And this one is also for OEM service for customer. You see, this is our filter. Let's just switch the spare parts. For different types of filtration in our black soda can. Water distributor. This is unfinished. This is for PP filter. Some cartridges. Spare parts. GAC CTO. No switch. Sorry, CTO. And reversal. This is our engineer's office. Okay, thank you for your time. And next time we will have some other system for loading. We will come in again. Thank you. Bye bye.